Om Jnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurimilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Cow protection is clearly a major part of Srila Prabhupada's mandate for his followers. There are certain parts of Srila Prabhupada's teachings which we're very familiar with, which are taken very seriously. Book distribution, Harinam Sankirtan, temples. But cow protection, farm projects, Varnashram is something that unfortunately has been largely overlooked, although Srila Prabhupada very much wanted to establish this as a central part of our movement. So I'm here at Govindadvipa, the island of Radha Govinda, in Northern Ireland. It's one of quite a few properties in ISKCON which has good agricultural land. And here, until recently, there was very little or no agriculture going on, but now cow protection has started, agriculture has started, so it's very encouraging. This should be promoted, supported, participated in, or at least encouraged by all members of the Krishna conscious movement if they can't directly take part in it, to help fulfill this mandate. And then we can get some milk, because that stuff, that white stuff with milk written on the packet that you buy in supermarkets, that's not what's talked about in Shastra, that nourishes the brain. Rather, that's stuff that poisons the body and the mind also, because it's produced by violence and it's full of all nasty chemicals. So real milk comes from cows, and the cows should be protected lovingly. Without that, there's no human civilization. Practically, we can expect so many problems in our movement if we don't protect the cows, because that's a first requisite of human society. So let's do it. Hare Krishna.